Assalamu alaikum everybody. Hope that all are you doing fit and fine. I'm also doing well by the grace of mercy Almighty Allah. And it is my another video of practicing my English, and also I try to practice my English every day because you all know that practice makes a man perfect, and without practice couldn't achieve we couldn't learn English because English is not our native language. So if we only read, only learn English but don't practice, then we are not able to speak in English fluently. That's why, to reduce your nervousness and also to reduce my nervousness, I try to make a video in English in front of camera, because firstly when I come in front of camera I felt so much nervous, and that's why I couldn't make video. So I that's why I try to make short video, and sometimes I make long video. So long making long video is so much hard than making short video. So you want to learn English, then you can make short video. You can try this thing. It is making video in front of camera, and also you can watch English cartoon show. It's improve your listening skill, and also you can watch some YouTube channels video. Guys, you can learn English by using your smartphone, and I didn't do any course, and right now I'm not doing any courses. So how I improving my English? So I use my mobile phone in a proper way. So which is all step I am taking. So you can watch English cartoon show, and also you can watch native speakers speech, and you can watch podcasts, and you can uh, talk to yourself in front of mirror or in front of camera. And also you can talk with ChatGPT. There are free version. You can talk with ChatGPT. So it's really so effective to learn English. So if you apply this process, if you do this process every day and you maintain your routine every day, then inshallah you will become a fluent speaker. So you have to practice every day, you have to speak every day, you have to listen every day. Actually I cannot maintain my routine every day. Someday I miss my routine, I don't follow my routine for some problem. So anyway, also I try to practice my English every day. So it's really effective. If you see some people, they do many courses, they do many classes, so but they cannot speak in English. Also some people don't do any courses, don't do many classes, but they can speak in English. How they can it? Because they practice a lot, that's why they able to speak in English. So those people who only try to learn but they don't practice, they cannot speak. So if you want to learn English, and also I want to learn English, that's why I do many practice, and you can do many practice. So if you like this video, please subscribe this channel to get more videos. Assalamu alaikum.